Good morning, guys. It's David Wynn, and today I want to show you guys a platform called Coinberry. So, welcome. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, I'm just looking to educate you guys, help you guys get started in cryptocurrency. How do you get your first Bitcoin? How do you get your first Ethereum, etc.? And what's an easy way to do it? So it's not too complicated here for you. Safe and effective as well. So I discovered this platform. It's called Coinberry. So here's a quick introduction to Coinberry here. It's a mostly free service, so that's what I like about it. It's simple to use, it's safe, secure, and it's a Canadian company, right? So if you're Canadian, looking for ways to get your first Bitcoin cryptocurrency to get started, possibly even move some to another platform, this is the way to go as an option. Okay, I'm in several different exchanges. This is one of them, and I just want to break it down for you guys. So low Bitcoin and cryptocurrency pricing. Um, what you see is what you pay. Our members enjoy the fair pricing. So they're gonna make a little tiny bit of margin. That's how they make their money with the service, as most people will do that. 0% funding and 0% withdrawal fees. What I like about this is not a huge or any fees really if you're withdrawing over $50, right? And you can start trading with at least $50 as well. And once you're up and running for an account, it's pretty quick. And it's basically just a streamlined system that's easy for you to stake and hold crypto in your wallet and move it off of the platform or just keep it there. So I'll break down a couple of different options here for you. I use multiple platforms, so I don't have a ton of money in here yet. But as you can see, you can buy into Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar, etc. You see a little bit of action here because I was trying out the platform. So it is pretty seamless. You get some charts here for the hour, the day, the week, how performance is going. Ethereum, let's see here, you can see it. So it's pretty good. Now, if you're a pro trader or anything like that, you really, really want to zoom into charts, I would use your own charts for the data. If you're looking at per hour, per minute information for buy-ins, then I would use your own chart. These charts aren't too advanced, to be honest, but nonetheless, it's pretty good. So let's say you want to do some funding here. You can choose e-transfer, wire transfer, or obviously you can invite a friend and get a referral and make $20 there. So if you guys sign up under my link below, you're gonna get $20. We're both actually gonna get $20. So helps you to get started in your journey, and it also helps me on my channel as well. You can send a wire transfer, send up to 500K. For trades as well, and e-transfer send up to 4,000. Okay, so if you're looking to literally just buy and sell crypto, this is what it looks like. Okay, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin right now. I have $20 balance right now. Go to buy. So it's straightforward, basic, like nothing too crazy here. And you can buy it at market price, which is that price right there. Right. So say I want to buy $20. It's literally as simple as that. I'd hit preview order and then I book it. Like literally that's it, right? Let's preview that right there. That's how much it's gonna be. Now, that's simple and nothing too advanced about that. Now, my actual recommendation, man, my hair is crazy. I just woke up, it's 6 a.m. over here. Now here's my recommendation here. You would go to limit. Right, so there's no advanced charting or anything. If you guys have a smartphone, which it's 2020, I believe everyone has a smartphone. Not everybody, but I like to use an app called HODL. So HODL or HODL. And what I'd like to do is open up the graphs there because they're more advanced, and you can get more advanced charts, like weekly view, daily view, and then you could actually see your data there. So that's what I would do if I were you, to get more advanced charts. Or there's several platforms online. Just open up a different web browser and utilize their charts, okay? And then you can set your own limit. So instead of whatever the current price is at 16,192, you can do like, okay, I want to buy in that 16, 16 right there. And then it will automatically set a limit buy-in for you at that price, so that when it dips a little, you can buy it at that price, okay? So I like that feature instead of just buying it market price. But if you're in a rush, you just want to do your thing, you buy it, and that's it, okay? Yeah, so then you have your wallets. So let's say you're doing activity here. You're gonna see your different amounts that you have in your wallet. So if you have a balance, you're gonna see, what you're working with as well, right here. So there's your Bitcoin, how much your Bitcoin is value, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and you just kind of see it. And when you want to withdraw it, you can transfer your funds out. So if you have a balance here, you say how much, and then you type in your wallet address for your destination. So if you guys don't know, there's different types of wallet. There's online storage, which is a digital wallet. On a platform like this, you'd have your own digital wallet. There's things like Ethers. There's the MetaMask, right? You can use MetaMask to have your own physical wallet as well. Digital wallet as well. As you can see, I have some Ether stored in there. Trying to decide if I want to import it into this platform or some other platforms, but you can hold it into this storage here onto a safe platform right on your Google browser, your Google plugins there. But then you have a safe storage away from everything as well, because some of these platforms require that you store and transfer to an actual digital wallet and not it's called a Ether contract, right? So yeah, if you're looking for a simple way to get cryptocurrency buy and hold, or just trade it every now and then, this is a great platform. You can do some day trading as well, but like I said, the graphs aren't as advanced. You can't really zoom in. But to simply get some crypto and get started, then transfer it off this platform, it's a very good platform, very easy to get into. And eventually they're working on Coinberry Pay as well, which allows you to accept Bitcoin payments, etc. for your different events and things like that. Like donate with Bitcoin, pay with Bitcoin, and tip with Bitcoin. So you can add that to your business or your campaigns, etc., which is kind of cool to get started there, right? Once again, what I don't love about it is that there's no advanced charting to zoom right into it. But if you guys are looking at a simple platform to buy and hold your Bitcoin, I do recommend Coinberry. It's simple, it's effective. I wish I knew something. I wish I knew about this kind of getting started, or we had something like this when I first got started in crypto a couple of years ago. But I'm diving back into it. So if you guys are interested in Coinberry, like I said, you're gonna get $20 to help you fund your account once you make a deposit. I believe the minimum is like $50. So honestly, guys, this is a quick way to make a quick $20. Like put $50 in. You make $20 right away towards your investment. So I'm not sure about your bank account, but bank accounts these days are like 1% interest per year. So this is a good investment there. Obviously, anything in the crypto space, you want to be cautious, and you want, I'm not a financial advisor or anything, so I'm not here to be your accountant. But I truly believe digital currency is the future, especially with all the stuff going on with government, vaccinations, all that stuff. Um, Emails keep popping in, guys. But yeah, if you're looking to get into exchange in Canada to get your first Bitcoin or even reinvest into Bitcoin or Ether, cryptocurrency, I'm heavy into Ether right now. This is a good place. Sign under my link below if you guys want to get in, and you're going to get $20 credit on your account as well. And if you have any basic questions regarding cryptocurrency, how do I trade other altcoins, things like that off this exchange, please let me know, and I'll be willing to help you guys as well as I continue my journey. All right, so appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit like on the video and subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. Comment below that you want more content. All right, appreciate you guys, love you guys, and see you in the next video.